Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now we can see here that in quick launch we have here only 3 applications: the Facebook, the music, and assistant. If you want to change or remove or just some of these applications here, or just to change them, you should open the settings application, and after that tap here to the special features, then click here to the quick launch, and now we can see here the current menu. So we can click here to edit it. We can remove all of these applications, and we can here set some functions, for example to add the clocks, the contacts, the Google search, maps, and more other just functions. We can open the settings, they create the new event, or we can open the camera, for example, part right here. Also we can add here the apps. We can add here the maximum 5 applications. So let's use the booking, the contacts, Gmail, and also the LinkedIn. We can also change their positions here. Just hold it and drag it, so by this way we can change them. Then just click here to OK, and now let's just check and see that we just successfully customized the all quick launch feature. So we can use, for example, now we can open the Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.